Meet the Kakapo, a fascinating nocturnal parrot from New Zealand that's unlike any other. With its owl-like face and mossy green feathers, this flightless bird has adapted perfectly to its forest home. Kakapos have a unique booming call that resonates through the night, a vital part of their unusual breeding rituals. Sadly, these charming parrots are critically endangered, with intense conservation efforts underway, including predator-free sanctuaries and successful breeding programs. Their story is a testament to resilience and highlights the importance of protecting our natural world.